All right, so what are we back with today? We are on the 2001 Nissan Xterra cheap car project to see what we can do to get this car back going. I think he paid $1,000 for it. And what we have done so far in the two previous videos, we did a little work to the driver's door. We've replaced this air snorkel. We went into the junkyard and we bought the used booster. And what else have we done? Do you remember? Yeah, we started diagnosing the air conditioner. That's right. Been so many things, little small things that we did. And right now, come on in and let's show them what we've got going here. Down in here, we've already put the water pump on. We've replaced the timing belts. See, I got a couple of wrenches here just to remind myself that we have not tightened those up yet, and those need to be torqued. Balancer's just sitting in place. But this is just some good maintenance here. We went ahead and replaced all the oil seals and such as that. The front, all this stuff to get off the front of the motor. We did not go through a play-by-play on exactly how all this stuff comes apart. That was not my goal in doing this video. If you've never done YouTube videos, let me try to give you a little quick insider view. To film and document a project, you can add at least 2 times the amount of time it's going to take you to do a project, whereas leave the camera off and just come in here and work. So that's what we've been doing, and I just wanted to bring you back for a quick update. What we've got to do right now is tighten up these 2 cam bolts like I mentioned, and put the crank bolt in. We need to spin the engine through 1 time and then recheck the tension on the timing belt. The goal is today to try to get all this stuff put back together and hopefully, maybe, fingers crossed, hear it run today and see how it does. So we got to get to work. All right, it's been about an hour later. We rechecked the timing of this timing belt. This is the first time I've ever done a timing belt on one of these engines, so I checked, double checked, and triple checked. I went through the procedures that they talked about on making sure that the belt was on there correctly. We're just doing a quick test run on it. Going to let it run about 2 minutes, and we're probably coming up on about 30 seconds left, and then we're going to check and see if we have any oil leaks, because like I said, we did put the cam seal and both cam seals and the crank seal in it. So go ahead and we'll get her shut down. We'll get in here and look. All right, well, we got her started going back together with her. We checked it for the oil leak after we ran. I don't see anything leaking. Didn't let it run long, but let's just say that there's not anything really spraying. Come on in. We got the, like I said, we got the timing cover tins back on, the bracketry all up front, water pump pulley, put the belts back on, and we've got a couple things that we found along the way. Got the upper and lower idler tensioner pulleys for the belt. They got a lot of slack in them. It's already apart, so we're going to go ahead and see about getting those. And let me grab this hose. I'll show you this. Did not notice this when we took it apart, but we got ready to put it back together. This crankcase ventilation hose is done. So we're going to go ahead and see if we can get all of that, replace it, and of course wouldn't be a project without something else breaking. This hose, which is, you know, approaching 20 years old, is split when I tried to shove it back on. I was gentle with it, but it still split. So we got a few little more knick-knack pieces to put on it. We still got the transmission service to go. We're going to flush the cooling system, and we're going to try to fix the AC, and we still got to fix that driver's door. And on top of that, we got some brand new tires sitting in the back. So we got a little more ways to go on this thing to see if we're going to be able to make it a reliable daily driver. And until I can get out another video, why don't you go watch another one coming on the screen right now.